All right, what we have today is a box of Weiß Schwarz cards from the Quintessential Quintuplets show. This is from season 1. This is the English booster pack. There'll be 20 packs in here. And you can see some of the breakout there. We got some super special, Hanayama rare, special, triple rares, super rares, as well as the normal types. So there's 135 types of cards and 55 types of parallels. Let's go ahead and get this open. This is from the animated series. There was 2 seasons and a movie. And I'm actually a pretty big fan of it. It was very enjoyable. The second season's probably the best. And it closes up very nicely with the movie. There's all the packs. We should have, I think, a box stopper there on the bottom. Let's check that out. We have our promo here. First meeting, Chika Nakano. One of the quintuplets. And let's go ahead and get into these packs. There's going to be 8 cards per pack. And most of the sets you usually automatically get a rare, so we'll see what the breakout is on these. There's Yatsuba, Itsuki, Itsuki, I mean. Ichika again. Got Miku. And there's another Yatsuba. And here is our first rare, Awkward Atmosphere. And this is the Climax Common. There's going to be 1 Climax card in each pack. Those are broken out between rares and commons as well. And if you don't know anything about Weiß Schwarz, they released a lot of cards based off animated series and other franchises similar to that. They released some Disney stuff in Japan. Obviously not trying to compete with Lord Kana here in the States. There's Nino. Again. I don't know much about the game itself. I haven't played it, but I do enjoy these cards. Quality is very good. There's our rare. We finish out with the Climax rare. Blossoming Smile. And I've opened up season 2 cards before, and I'll leave a little link at the top there for that. First timing. There's our rare, Yatsuba. And we got our first double rare. Another Yatsuba. And you can see the little sparkling effect the rares and double rares have. And those are part of the base set. The parallels will be the triple rares, super rares. Those will be pretty obvious when they come out. From other sets, I think it's about average 1 per box, maybe 2. Ah, there's our super rare. One Step Forward, Chika Nakano. That took place over our rare. And you can see there's a lot more of a reflective effect on the card. Pattern. And I'll be opening in the future the Quintessential Quintuplets movie edition. There we go. Operation Doppelganger, Nino Nakano. It's our rare. Moving on. That's our rare at the age. And it does like to switch between being a comedy and being serious. I think, oh yeah, we have a bent card there. Let me see that. That's unfortunate. Curious on how that happens. By your side, Miku. Heartfelt. Your Miku card. Nino sleeping. Honest apology from Nino. And we have another rare there. That's Overflowing Charm. Ichika Nakano. Sengoku Quiz. Miku. Cool animated face. And we have Yatsuba again for a rare. Ooh, and we got a extra double rare in here. That's Yatsuba. What appears to be a wedding dress. The show opens up with the protagonist dreaming he's getting married. I won't give any spoilers away on how it turns out. Not until the movie, until that's kind of concluded. Variety of Charms, Yatsuba. Intimate Sisters, Nino. All the sisters are very close. They all have different personalities, which I think makes it that much better of a show. And there's nothing special with the cards. These are just scenes from the show, but the way they lay them out, I really enjoy. There's our rare under the moonlight. I think about 6 packs left. The rare honor student Yatsuba. That's Intimate Sisters Itsuki. And there is Ichika in her wedding dress. A rare Test of Courage Yatsuba. Also know in Japan, 2 or 3 of the characters they were selling giant plushies of. Like the plushies were like 4 feet tall. Firm Resolve, Nino. And we got our double rare there. That's Nino in her wedding dress. A Yakuta. Kata. Say that word right. And then we have Ichika Nakano there. 2 more packs. Oh, so we did get a triple rare there. Blossom in the Dark Knight. Is that a climax card? It might be. So we did end up with 2 parallel cards. And our last pack, we'll see if we get a 3rd. Unlikely, but it would be cool. And we got another Miku card, the rare, and our final climax card. And that's the end of that break. So we ended up with 5 double rares, a double rare plus, a triple rare, and 1 super rare. And you'll see those cards here, as well as the promo box topper that we got. But that's all for today. Till next time.